if I told you there's a way to create a rapid profit machine that works for you while you sleep? Imagine making money effortlessly and without all the hard work. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today we're going to show you how it's possible. Let's start by understanding the concept of a rapid profit machine. Essentially, it's a system or method that generates income for you on autopilot. It's like having your own money-making engine that runs 24/7. The key to building a successful rapid profit machine is choosing the right niche or market. You need to find an industry or topic that has a high demand and low competition. This will increase your chances of success. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create valuable content or products that cater to your target audience's needs. This could be anything from online courses to ebooks or even physical products. Next, you'll need to set up your sales funnel. This is the process through which you attract potential customers, nurture them, and ultimately convert them into paying clients. A well-designed sales funnel is essential for maximizing your profits. Don't forget about the power of automation. By leveraging tools and software, you can streamline your processes and free up more time to focus on growing your business. Automation is key to scaling your rapid profit machine. Finally, remember to analyze your data and optimize your strategies. By tracking your performance and making adjustments along the way, you can ensure that your rapid profit machine continues to generate income for years to come. And there you have it, the secrets to creating your very own rapid profit machine. By following these steps and staying dedicated to your goals, you can achieve financial freedom and live life on your own terms. So what are you waiting for? Start building your rapid profit machine today and watch the money roll in.